Want to turn your Insta360 footage into an epic edit without having to touch a computer? In under 5 minutes, I'll show you how to go from camera to killer content, all from your phone. Let's dive in. Hey, what's going on, my fellow outdoor adventurers? Have you ever captured some wild footage on your Insta360 and wished you could turn it into a slick edit right there on your phone? No laptop, no fuss? In this quick guide, I'm showing you exactly how to transfer your footage, edit it with your favorite mobile app, and get it ready to post, all in less time than it takes to brew your camp coffee. Let's keep it fast, light, and mobile, just like your adventures. Let's jump in. Okay, so just for context, I have a Samsung S24 Ultra. Not sure if this is the same procedures for Apple iPhone users, but let's get into it. I have my Insta360 app right here. I'm going to click on that. Make sure that you have your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth turned on your phone so it can connect to the Insta360 camera down here at the bottom. That big round yellow button, I'm going to hit that. It's going to connect to it. So this should bring up all my previous footage from my hike yesterday that I did. All right, it's connected. So you see all that? Yep, it's right there. And say I want to use, I don't know, this one. I'm gonna hold on that. I'm gonna say share. It'll say export to phone. Yep. Let it do its thing here. This is the nice thing about the app, and you can also do a little bit of pre-editing. You can do a lot, but this Insta360 app, I'm finding more and more usage for it. So you can do a little bit of pre-editing, some trimming stuff for your videos before you upload it to YouTube if you want. I'm gonna hit cancel on that. So you have your, your social medias here. You have your Insta360. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna do YouTube. Open YouTube. Yep, I want to edit into a short. You can, of course, whatever direction you want to. That's me. I'm going to say next. It's going to process it. And then I don't want to add any sound or anything. And, bam, there you go. You can caption your short, put it up, bam, upload it, and you're done. So it's really nice, really quick. Everything is just internalized in that Insta360 app that you can use if you just want to get something out quickly and publish something. If you took some wild footage on your Insta360. So I hope maybe that helps somebody. If you guys like this sort of stuff, let me know. If you guys want any more of this or anything in particular, let me know in the comments. All right. Yep. I will talk to you guys later. Cheers.